As a commercial-style dual boiler machine, the Oracle Dual Boiler takes a few minutes to heat up. That's why we've introduced the new Sage Plus Coffee app. Simply download the app, connect it to your machine so you can power it on remotely, and have it ready to make a coffee when you are. There are also a few simple actions you should perform as a regular habit before and after each coffee-making session on your Oracle Dual Boiler. Doing so means less effort later on. Let's start with the group head purge. First, take the portafilter out of the group head. Double-tap the brew icon to purge and get your brew water to the right temperature. Reinsert and lock the portafilter. Then double-tap the brew icon for a quick 5-second water flow. Wipe the filter basket clean and dry. This little step helps prevent channeling for a more even extraction. After brewing, remove the portafilter, then double-tap the brew icon to clear out any leftover grounds and oils from the group head. Remove the coffee puck from the portafilter, then wipe the filter basket and reinsert the portafilter into the group head. After your coffee session, run a clear water backflush before turning off the machine. This keeps everything in top shape. This also helps remove any residual oils from the espresso paths. First, empty the drip tray and locate the gray silicone cleaning disc supplied with your machine. Place the silicone cleaning disc into the filter basket, then insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Press the brew icon to start the flow of water into the portafilter. After around 20 seconds, stop the shot, which discharges water back into the drip tray. Do this 3 or 4 more times, and your clear water backflush is complete. And finally, the filter basket rinse. Make sure your filter basket is cooled before removing and rinsing it in the portafilter under hot water. This removes any coffee oil residuals. If the holes in the filter basket are blocked, dissolve a cleaning tablet in hot water and soak the filter basket and portafilter in the solution for approximately 20 minutes. Then rinse and dry thoroughly before your next use.